Well, good morning, guys. Another grey day out there. I was doing some work on a solar light last night. Breakfast is ready. Time to feed the birds. Don't know, doesn't look like they like the corn so much. I assume that's what it is. Corn and wheat. Oh. Some little bird just flew around there. Missed it. Yeah, he's still going. Only just, but he's going. Right. Breakfast is served. Well, a bright sunny morning out there this morning. Looks like blue sky all round. Probably going to be hot again then. Bit of 3D printing going on there. Another rubber band powered car. I need to tidy them away now that I've got the full set. There is a couple more videos to come. A couple more ideas I've had. Breakfast is ready. Better get out there and feed the birds quickly, because I'm running late. I'll be in trouble. Oh dear, they're not enjoying these seeds so much, are they? That's left over from yesterday. Oh well. Looks like they like the sunflower seeds. Not so keen on the corn and wheat or whatever it is. I'm sure we're supposed to have trimmed those tomatoes back and supported them. They're laying on the floor. They'll be eaten by the slugs. Oh dear. I really ought to turn those ones round so you can see them sometime. Anyway, how's our little friend? Yeah, still waving. That'll do. Breakfast is served. Another dull grey day out there today, guys. Not raining yet, but it is forecast. Latest chassis works well, pleased with that. That is something different. Rubber band powered car didn't work. That's what that is for. Breakfast is ready. So we'll get out there and feed the birds before it rains. August the 5th today. Yeah, I think they don't like this seed. I'll have to start giving them something else. Just not getting the sunshine at the moment to ripen off the grapes either. Yeah, he's still rocking. Oh, the news. Looks like we might be going to get a couple of flowers on the stock, as it's called, night scented stock. Oh, there's a little mushroom down there as well. Yeah, so that looks like we might get 2, maybe 3 flowers out of a pack. Not very impressed. And there's an aeroplane up there behind the clouds. Breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. I'm in no hurry to go out and feed the birds this morning. Good morning, guys. It's just stopped raining and I've run out there and put the food on the bird table because it was raining heavily just now. I didn't take the camera with me. Getting a little bit frustrated because I do have quite a few solar projects that I'm working on and we need some sunshine. Got that one. Got that thing, a supercapacitorized head. Got that thing that I repaired last night. It's an old rusty one. Replaced the LEDs and that. Oh yeah, bit of 3D printing there. So yeah, I need some sunshine at the moment and we're not getting it. That actually has stopped raining completely now. I ran out when it was still raining. Never mind. Breakfast is served. That makes this a short and sweet video. Oh, one thing I could just say, out there, it does look like the night scented stock is just about to come into flower. We're going to get about 3 flowers out of a whole pack of seed. That'll do. Well, good morning, guys. A nice bright sunny morning out there. Solar rockers going. Bit more 3D printing. Looks like I've got a problem with the nozzle on my printer. That's gone a bit funny, so I'll have to have another go at that one. Breakfast is ready. Oh, before we do that, I had a quick look in here and we've got germination. We've actually got one of the sunflower seeds growing. That's the sunflower seeds from my bird seed, as opposed to the sunflower seeds that came with the little project kit I was working on, Kiddies project kit. That failed, so I chucked some of these seeds in there. Right. Big pile of bird poo on the back there. I suppose I'll have to clean that all off. No sign of any of those tomatoes reddening off a bit. And we definitely should have supported them. They've fallen over with the weight. So the slugs will be at them. Grass needs cutting in the lawn. He's moving. Wind's blowing that about. And look at this. We've finally got some rather sad, rather eaten looking flowers from our stock, night scented stock. So that's a whole packet of seeds, and we got 2 rather sad looking flowers, but that's the slugs eating them. Anyway, good morning guys. Morning guys, rainy day. Oh, there's a dunnock out on the bird table at the moment. You won't see that in this camera, too small. More 3D printing. That works with that car fine. Just want to tidy it up a bit, so I've done another print. Breakfast is ready. It's just stopped raining, so we'll nip out there quick. Need to mow the lawn, but the grass is too wet. Some grapes on there. Oh, what's that? I'll have to check that out. It's a weed, but it's an interesting looking weed. Tiny little purple flowers. That's shot up. No sign of any red tomatoes over there on the tomato plants. Got a drip on the end of the drain pipe there. Gutter. Same there. And right up on the corner there. He is moving, but only just. Let's have a look at that gutter. And there's our night scented stock. Looks like we might get 3 of them in total. That'll do. Breakfast is served. Good morning guys. Some bright sunshine out there. Plenty of clouds around, but we'll take it while it's there. Guess what I've been doing? Yeah. Well, actually, I've tidied up a bit. Anyway, better get out there and feed the birds while the sun's still shining. Cut the grass yesterday. It was dry enough, long enough to do that. Oh dear, we're going to have to clean that off, aren't we? Do that later, not just now. Oh yeah, I was just going to say he's not moving, but there we go. Can't say that I've noticed whether it's night scented, the night scented stock out there, because it's been raining at night, so I haven't been out there to check. Anyway, breakfast is served. Good morning guys. I was going to say another bright sunny morning, but there are clouds up there, and it's just gone a bit dull. But I am very happy with the progress with that solar light that I've been repairing. That's working absolutely fine. It was still a light last night at gone 1 o'clock in the morning. And so was that one. I've been comparing the action cameras again. So that's another video. Breakfast is ready. And that one's growing. So let's get out there and feed the birds. That was Nanny had just come downstairs. I'm obviously running late this morning. I'll be in trouble again. The birds ate all the seeds yesterday. They must have liked them when they got a bit damp, and then the sun was on them again. That will have softened them up for them. A quick look here. Where are we? Come on, mate. Are you moving? Yeah, he's moving. Right. So, breakfast is served. Morning, guys. Yeah, there's some little blue bits out there in the sky between the clouds. I think the weather report is fairly positive. Been doing a bit of 3D printing again there. Breakfast is ready. Go and feed them birds. Just a quick look. Stock looks nice. If I can get it in focus. Yeah. Right, let's get out there. Yeah, weeds, effectively. Gosh, all the seeds have gone. That's good to see. There's a little gap in the fence down there. I have to put my wildlife camera on it. Nanny's been out here picking up the tomatoes. We've even got one going a bit red down there. Right. Oh, that's progress. Quick look at our little friend. Yep. Still moving. Not much, but he's moving. So, breakfast is served. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.